So over the past 1 week, after the release date of RTX 5090 and RTX 5080, um, it was by far the worst paper launch day ever. As soon as it hit 6 a.m. this morning, I couldn't buy one. Nobody else couldn't buy one. I was just so freaking mad at the time. Oh man, I was trying to buy these Asus ROG Astro RTX 5090. Everything just went completely sold out in like 1 second. That's it. And there's like we can't like add a cart, nothing. And we know what's happening because NVIDIA just didn't bring enough supplies to everyone. I just don't know what's happening. But still, it wasn't enough supplies for everyone to buy this card. I know it. This is a huge problem when it comes to upgrading new graphics cards. So, I was looking on Newegg. I was also looking on like B&H photo videos. Was it Amazon, Best Buy? Everything completely sold out. Yeah, it's been 1 week so far, and some people may be lucky to buy RTX 5080, grats. But when it comes to RTX 5090, it's just literally impossible to buy one for now. We don't know how long it takes to, replenish inventory, but some people may say, it could take maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 months or 4 months. That's just rough estimate, average, but we don't know because we don't know how long it will take to, bring more inventories in stock. So, yeah, I know it's going to take a really long time, but, because I still have an RTX 4090. One's great, but I still need a better graphics card because I need more performance. Because I'm currently running a 4K resolution. 240 hertz. It's a white OLED monitor. Yeah, so that's the reason why I want to get new graphics card, which is RTX 5090. So, um, however, there's all these scalpers. They just buy a bunch of these, RTX 5090 on eBay, and guess what? Look how much they're asking. See, you got all these guys, selling for like, like over $6,000, and that is freaking insane. That's like 3 times the price over the default MSRP. Like, I don't know how on earth they got these cards, but oh man, but damn, I know they use like a freaking bots to freaking instantly buy the card as soon as it comes out on the e-store, and then after that everything just sold out. So look at how much they're asking. A 5,000, 750 US dollars, and you can buy right now. Look at this. How many cards he sold? 8, and there's only 3 available. But I will not buy it because what if this card is not gonna freaking work? And then they're gonna ask me, "Where's the order number?" See, how am I gonna freaking return it for a warranty? See, this is why I never buy all these graphics cards from scalpers. Never ever buy for them. They're just scamming people. I never trust them. Look at this. He just bought another RTX 5090 as a founder's edition from Best Buy. Guess what he's asking for? 6,500 US dollars, and you can buy right now. Only one sold so far, and there's like 2 available right now. Wow, this guy's like asking too much. Like, how on earth is this even worth 6,500 US dollars for the founders edition? That doesn't make any freaking sense. This is totally scam right there. Don't buy it, folks. Do not buy it. Because what if it's not working? How are you gonna freaking return it? See, look in the descriptions. Best Buy order from NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. No later than 1 business day to ship. One hand and ready to ship. Signature will be required on delivery. Item is sold brand new. All sales are final. Wow. Absolutely insane. And let's look at another one. Look how much he's asking for. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, item sold. Oh, February 7th. 9:15 a.m. Wow. I guess somebody already bought it. Let me read this. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 Founders Edition, a sealed box, and he's asking for $5,905. Holy shit, that's too expensive. Wow, and it's not open too. It's like a brand new freaking card. The item description. Yep, GeForce RTX 5090 Founders Edition, completely sealed in the original box. Then it's got this part number, but it doesn't tell you whether you can return it, refund if this card is not working. See, I mean, even if the seller does not, accept any returns, you can always, contact, eBay, dispute it. Then yeah, you can, look into this as a case, and then they can just charge back this seller if this card is not working. Yeah, so you want, because my dad did had some problems when he was trying to buy these parts from the sellers on eBay, and then yeah, you can always contact eBay to dispute it, and then eBay will be happy to solve these issues. So yeah, but for me, I never buy all these products from eBay. I never did. I will never buy for them. Look at this. How much he's asking? RTX 5090, 7,500 a Canadian dollars. Like what? What? Holy there's something wrong here. No way. Who on earth is gonna freaking pay 7,500 US dollars? There's no way anybody can afford that. Let me see. Let me look at the descriptions. Come on, let me go down. Buy with confidence. All items are guaranteed authentic. 100% feedback. Yeah, right. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Okay, let me look at this one. A factory sealed RTX 5090, 6,500 US dollars. You can buy it right now. Look at this. He originally bought from Best Buy. Look at this original price. Like, how on earth is this worth 6,500 US dollars? Because look at the original price. It's 2,000 US dollars. Yes, we already know that. And then there's like sales tax, fees, surcharges. That's like $167. Depends whether state you live in. Then see, you have to pay like total of like $2,167.49. See, that's like 3 times more. He's asking over the MSRP. See, this is why I'm really pissed off. Look at this description. It's factory sealed. Item is brand new, unopened, proof of box contents and pictures of labels. Hand and ready to ship. Signature required delivery. Blah. Yeah, because it's a lot of money to pay. And here's a downside. See, if you bought this car on eBay and if it doesn't work, there's no returns, no refunds. See, there's a disclaimer. See, be careful when you buy this card from eBay. This is why you never ever buy from Scalper. Because anytime it doesn't freaking work, yeah, you have to freaking, contact the the vendors like Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, wherever the brand you bought it from, and then they're gonna ask you the order number, like where did you actually buy from, like like Newegg, Best Buy, Amazon, B&H Photo, or the official NVIDIA website. See, they're gonna ask you because if you don't have the original number, they can't process warranty. That's just why you never buy from Scalper ever. Period. Never ever buy from them. You're gonna have to make a smart decision when you buy new products. See, always buy from like the official store, like Newegg, for example. See, this is the official Newegg store. This is where you can buy from the Newegg. See, sold and shipped by Newegg. This is where you're supposed to buy it from. See, if it doesn't work, they'll be happy to process your refunds or replacement anytime. See, this is why you have to buy from the official store. Never buy from Scalper. This is what they don't tell you. Nobody else tells you. But I'm just telling you from my experience. Okay, so let's look at another one. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 Founders Edition pre-sale. It's February 12th. Well, today is February 7th, so see, he's still got like 5 days left to ship it. Yeah, because he's still waiting for it. Oh man. Wow, unbelievable. And you can still buy right now on eBay for 5,800 US dollars. That's like you can buy like a two gaming monitors, or like buy like a two RTX 5090 graphics card for like original MSRP two, which is supposed to be $2,000. But this guy's just fucking ripping you off for 5,800 US dollars. That's not worth it. I'm sorry, no, but it's not worth it. I don't know what's wrong with these guys, man. Like freaking NVIDIA and Newegg and the other partners, they need to freaking address scalping because they gotta freaking stop using bots just to freaking buy the card immediately before it comes out, then just resell it at ridiculously high price point. I'm sick of it. Here's another guy, man. Look at this. See, I know he bought this from Best Buy. Yeah, it doesn't want to show the freaking shipping address because that's for privacy concerns. But anyway, see, look at this original price. It's 2,000 US dollars, which is supposed to be $2,000. Yeah, there's sales tax, fees, everything. 165 dollars. I don't know why it should include like the recycling fee. I know normally when you buy from Newegg, there's a recycling fee going on because some people, there's so many people throwing all these CRTs, LED monitors and so forth. Well, it depends on the state you live in, but anyway, the point is this guy's just freaking scamming people. He's just ripping people off, man. Look at this, 5,500 US dollars. Wow. Let me see. This is gonna arrive tomorrow from Best Buy and ship out same day. I saw in Best Buy, but damn, man, as soon as I hit the cart, I can't buy it. It's just out of stock. I blame this guy. This is his fault. Yep. So there it is. Go ahead and check on eBay and see for yourself. You know, and this is the reason why I'm never gonna buy from these scalpers. Look at this, a freaking MSI gave me a trio. This is an RTX 5090, and he's asking for $9,000. How the hell is this even worth $9,000? What the hell? Wow. $9,000, man. You could use that money freaking pay for a car down payments. How on earth is freaking worth $9,000? I'm like, wow, man, Jesus, why you have to be so greedy, man? Wow, man, this is definitely not worth it. What is this here? Oh, I could just keep going on, scrolling over on the eBay page, and then see, look all these price points, man. $6,000. Holy shit! Damn, man. Oh my gosh. And this is gonna end in 18 minutes. Well, this is bids, so you can't buy right now. But still, this is too much money. Holy shit! $10,000? Are you kidding me? $10,000? What? Are you freaking mind? Are you insane? $10,000? Jesus Christ, man, this is fucking greedy. Holy shit. 4,700 US dollars. Jesus. No way I'm gonna pay that kind of money. Yeah, oh my god. $7,000. Jesus. Oh man, I think I'm done. I'm done with this, man. This is why I don't like going to eBay website. It's just too much to pay. Too much. You know, for now I'm just gonna freaking wait. Wait until the cards are back in stock. Then I'll buy it. Okay. I know the price has been increased because there's like tariffs going on China, so they're gonna like start imposing 10% tariffs, and that's why the prices just gone up like crazy. $300 or $500 more. So I know the RTX 5090, the Asus RG Astro, yeah, it was originally $2,800, but now it got bumped up to like over $3,000, and that's insane. I had to pay tax, so we're talking about maybe 3,200 US dollars. That's a lot of money to spend, man. That's why I have to freaking work hard, and I have to save all that money to buy this card. That's insane. Yeah, there are some cards that are like $2,400, 2,500 US dollars, maybe $2,000. Depends on the model you buy. But still, everything else is just over like 2,500 US dollars. It is a problem when it comes down to inflation, which many people agree. Even on the official Asus website, it's over $3,000. I'm not kidding, and it's still currently out of stock. I did had an email yesterday. This car was in stock around 5 o'clock in the morning, but damn, the car just instantly went out quickly because of scalpers. You know, using the bots to instantly buy the card immediately. This is impossible to buy right now. Oh man. So when I look on, B&H, nothing. See, this is the Tough Gaming Series, 2,800 US dollars. See, 3,079.99. Astro Series, yep, that's saying over $3,000. Even the MSI Supreme, 2,700 US dollars. That's a lot of money to spend. Looking on Best Buy, see, I don't know why it says $2,800. It's supposed to be over 3,000. They forgot to update the price point. But anyway, so you look on the official MSI store. It's still impossible to buy, out of stock, 2,700 US dollars. So look on the MSI, the Vanguard, still out of stock, and it's $2,700. Oh, I'm just so freaking disappointed with this launch date. NVIDIA, you gotta freaking bring more supplies. We don't know how long it's gonna take to buy these cars, but I'm guessing it might take maybe a month or two. Who knows? We don't know yet. But some people claim that there might be more cars in stock in I think March, if not then maybe sometime in the summer. That's when everybody else can buy this RTX 5090. So with that, you just have to be more patient, and hopefully there will be more cards. Maybe sooner or later, but who knows? Time will tell. With that, I'm gonna end this video.